Robert and I had a great place to camp, kind of a remote place, but as you can tell, and which we really enjoy, as you know, but as you can tell, we are on the move, and it's kind of unexpectedly. We got up this morning and realized, yeah, we can't stay here. So stay tuned and I'll tell you why. So this is BLM land, public lands, using the app, and it was verified by a sign a while ago. But this is what happens. BLM and public lands are increasingly making it to where you can't camp even if you find the public lands. So you can see that they've graded the walls, you can't pull off, and they've graded even the washes where we wouldn't pull into a wash anyway, but there are some knuckleheads that do, and they've made it where you can't even do that. So we found a great tract of public land, but we will not be camping here because they've blocked it all off. All right, the reason that we had to leave camp is because the internet crapped out. And you guys, I can't tell you how often that happens out here. And I hope you can hear me. The van is really loud, but we're mobile, and I just wanted to share. You know that 2-minute video that I put up about the groceries that I buy and the foods that I keep in my 12-volt truck fridge? Well, that took almost 4.5 hours just to get the pictures uploaded and everything. That doesn't even count getting it onto YouTube. And Robert had been there for a week, and the internet had worked just fine, and so he was really excited to share that spot with me, and then it quit working. And yeah, it could have been the I just saw that I have hair sticking out everywhere. It could have been the weekend. It could have been, there is no telling. And because once it dies like that, you don't know if it's going to come back or not, and it was dead again today. And so we decided to go with what Technomadia says. They share that once the internet is bad, they spend one night there and then they move on down the road. So that's what we're doing, and the next place, the cell tower usage and everything shows that it is good. We've been there before and it was good, but we've been at that campsite that we just left before and it was good. But I gotta tell you, you see these two people right here, this big guy and me, we are exhausted. What we are doing out here, oh, my earring just fell off. Y'all just pretend it's on there and I'm gonna keep going. I don't know why it fell off. But anyway, what we're doing out here, it has its Instagram moments, and we love it. And to be honest, we tell you all the time, and we're being completely honest, that there aren't many options for us because of our brain injuries. And so we're out here and trying to make a go of this, but it is difficult. Can y'all see that mess back there? I'm being real with you right now, okay? We're getting real. See that mess back there? I can't keep living like that, and neither can Robert. You love it back there, Robert? You love living in the van with it like it is now? He's being nice. He's not going to say anything because he's such a gentleman. But no, we can't keep doing this. We don't know what we're going to do. But it is exhausting, and we are hitting the end of our rope. We have committed to things in, of course, our Rice Ranch meetup, and we're looking forward to meeting all of our viewers and everything. That's keeping us going right now. Our patrons keep us going right now. And we will do January, we're teaching a class, or holding a seminar on traveling full-time with disabilities at the RTR. And we will keep doing what we have committed to through January. But you guys, this is not, what did you say, Robert? It's not sustainable long-term. Yeah, it's not sustainable long term. It's exhausting. And so we don't know. We need a bigger rig. We don't have the money. We need to have good internet, and our system doesn't work. So we'll see. This is getting real, and we're being honest, and that's where it's at right now. I will show you our new camp once we land, and that'll be this video. And some of you will understand, and some of you won't, but that's just how it is.